back to RC Voodoo. I got the C44KM here, and I'm going to replace the axle truss. This metal kit comes with all metal axles, but for some reason the trusses are plastic. So sure enough, that's what I broke. I haven't even ran this yet. It's just been in storage, and went to pull it out of the box, grabbed it by the link area here, you know, just reached down in the box and pulled it up out of there, and broke one of the links. You can see there, just broke the little socket completely off of it. So I've got the metal replacement part. I'm going to get this taken apart, switch that over, and finally go ahead and finish this build. So I will speed this up just a little. I'm going to take the tires off and make it easier to work on, and then we'll be right back. So you can see what broke right there. That is the screw the link mount, or the link in. I noticed this one here is, I don't know if you can see that. Also, I'm glad that I'm going ahead and changing this now, because I didn't even know that side was split. Anyway, let's go ahead and get it off of here. Hear that printer in the background if you can. Sorry about that, but I don't know why it shows up so dark on the screen. I'm sure there's some setting I could do to have less shadows or whatever. Little panhard mount out of there, the panhard bar. Just need my screws. I've had this truck since pre-order from WPL, and still haven't ran it one time. Always plan to, but have other stuff going, and thought I'll get back to it, but never did. And finally got put in the box, and then once it's out of sight, it's out of mind. And it seems like pretty, yeah, I don't know. I mean, these trucks are really inexpensive, so yeah. See, I didn't even look how that goes on, which way. Yeah, it'd be like that because the links have to connect. Is that thread? Okay. There we go. Back through. And the little bottom pieces are metal. The little, just not sure why the tops weren't. Oh, come on. I really started getting back into the WPL that I never did like before because I don't like the smaller scale, but it's the detail in these little, so much you can do with them. So many people comes up with amazing builds, and they're super cheap compared to buying a 110 scale crawler. So, and they have a surprising amount of upgraded parts. Come on, get in there. Should have not tightened this other one all the way up until I got them all started. My goodness. Probably should have hopper lapped this also. There we go. Get the bottom part put back on here. Guess this would be like a shackle. You can order these parts on the WPL official website. I got mine from Banggood, but there's many places that sell them. So let's see now. Well, I put it on upside down. Yeah, I put it on upside down. I have to take it off and flip the whole thing over. Well, I'll do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I flipped the whole thing over, so now we should be good to go. So, start putting the links back on here. Let's go ahead and put the panhard on. Let's see right here. third link in. Come on. This has always aggravated me to death. Come on, there we go. Always frustrating. The stupid shock wasn't in the way. There we go. Get the nut started on this back side. I hope I can still get the drive shaft together. There we go. Okay, get the shocks mounted up. Or grab the right tool. I got everything tight. Nope, I didn't think so. There we go. Okay. Get the wheels back on. And that will be one completed axle strut replacement. I have an ESC and receiver I was just about to put in here, but I won a contest from WPL to rename the version 3 sound system, and the winner got a free one. So I'm just going to go ahead and wait now for the V3 to get here. There's the 5-inch action figures from Walking Dead. Absolutely perfect fit for these. They print up a snorkel already for it, so yeah, that's going to do it. That's how you replace the axle strut. Upgrade to the metal ones. I already done the back. These do come in a set of 2, but I done the back off camera before I started recording. Since it wasn't broke, it's the exact same process, except there's no panhard, and you'll have your 4th link right. You know, you have your 4th link where the front's only got 3. So this is the 2-speed. So that's going to do it until the ESC gets here. And so there you go, guys. That's how you change the axle strut on a WPL C44 KM. We'll be back when the ESC gets here. Later, guys.